everyone, welcome to my channel, Style with Carol. I do home decoration videos and fashion videos, so if you love these types of things, make sure to subscribe. So today we're going to be doing a fun tier decoration for the fall theme. I've seen a lot of these on Etsy. I'm going to show you a picture right over some around here. But these are very expensive, generally about $100. And if you're looking for the tray, yes, it can get even more pricier than $100. So we're gonna recreate that, you know, make it simple but fun and definitely fall themed, because this is something that I like to change every season. And, you know, in order to do that, I still wanna be budget friendly, but have fun with it and, you know, find things that I like that relate to me and make me happy for fall. Can you believe I got this tray at TJ Maxx for under $20? Love it. The welcome sign I got from Target, and these cute little porcupines are from Hobby Lobby. The pumpkin is new this year for fall 2020 from Target. The owl was my husband's, and I incorporated that. His mom actually chose that. She loved home decorating, and I think she was such an inspiration to me, so God bless her heart. She's looking down at from heaven at us. So I have a lot of, you know, cute little acorns that I got from Hobby Lobby, very glittery, very me. I like to add a little bit of sparkle to, I guess, my rustic, homey, you know, style that I have going on throughout my house. And these acorns are great fillers for really anywhere that you can use on other tabletops. I'm also gonna use it for a new video, which you'll see next, because I'm incorporating 2 videos in one, so you get a little bonus feature to it. But this is how this is looking, and I love how just simple it is, and yet it's very welcoming. I feel like fall is really the time when I count my blessings and I'm reminded to just be thankful and blessed. For this video that we're also doing is going to be a tablescape, just like a little breakfast for 2 that I'm incorporating, also fall theme related, and I thought they just fit so well together, these 2 videos. So you're gonna get double the fall theme decoration. We are starting off with a clean table, and we're gonna put a wooden sort of stand with a placemat that's golden to kind of add a little bit of glam. This, you won't believe, these 2 items I actually got from Party City. Like, how ironic, they actually have really cool home decoration items. I put a stand just to elevate the little birdie that you see there, the fall birdie. And this I got from Dollar Tree. It's just a cute sign, and I'm trying to play around with it. Glitter acorns that, again, I got from Hobby Lobby, incorporating it onto the breakfast table as well, just so they look in sync and it really looks good as fillers and just a little pop of glam like I've done with the placemat. Here's a 360 glance of how the tabletop is looking. Ignore my lovely wires in the back, sorry, but as you can see, love how this is looking. And to add a little bit more pizzazz, we are going to be adding some placemats and, you know, making the table a little bit more functional so we can also eat there. Here I'm adding the same placemat that I did on the top to have it in sync. I'm only using 2, although this is a 4 table setup. That way we can just eat with our own plates if we don't want to use these table plates, for example. But look how everything is looking. I like to keep it simple. You can obviously add more plates and placemats to complete the look, but it's just my husband and I, so I'm keeping it very minimal. Please don't forget to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube family. I do home decoration style videos every Monday, so Style with Carol, don't forget. Hit that like button and see you next time. Bye.